Indeed, this KU law professor is Stephen McAllister. He clerked for 2 United States Supreme Court justices, and he has argued in front of the High Court, including in front of the late Scalia, 9 different times. Most recently, last year, McAllister argued the state Supreme Court made a mistake by nullifying the death penalties against 2 convicted murderers from Wichita, and the High Court agreed. In fact, Scalia wrote the majority opinion.
Irrespective of one's political or other views, you have to acknowledge that he was very influential on the court.
McAllister teaches constitutional law at KU's law school. In fact, his hallway is decorated with Supreme Court mementos. And yes, that is an Anton Scalia bobblehead. In fact, he has several bobbleheads of justices. As a former Supreme Court clerk, McAllister also saw the justices in social settings, like when the clerks would take Scalia to lunch.
He would order the anchovy pizza, he would order the wine for the table at lunch with the law clerks, and then they had opera on the jukebox, and he would go put on some of his favorite music.
McAllister says Scalia changed how the Supreme Court works by frequently questioning lawyers during their presentations. That didn't happen before he was there.
Most of the time when I was in front of him, I welcomed his participation because I was trying to count, I think 7 out of 9 times he was actually on my side. And when he was on your side, he could be quite helpful.
McAllister has also met the federal appeals court judge Sri Srinivasan several times. He's being mentioned as a potential successor to Scalia. Srinivasan grew up in Lawrence. He was well liked and active in high school, and he returns for visits occasionally.
My sense of him is a moderate perspective. I don't see him as strongly leaning in one direction or another.
Now, if President Obama nominates anyone for the Supreme Court vacancy, Judge Srinivasan or anybody else, McAllister believes it was going to be a long, tough fight, and that may be a vacant seat on the U.S. Supreme Court for quite a while, maybe more than a year. Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News, Lawrence.